Sprouts are a great vegetable to grow at home, and what makes them even better is that you can toss them on almost anything. Today we're going to go over two recipes. One is on salsa and the other is pesto. I'm already hungry, so let's get started. Sprout salsa is a Tex-Mex favorite with a hidden twist. To start, you'll need to gather your ingredients. 1 cup of sprouts, 3 cups of chopped tomatoes, juice of 1 lime, 1/4 cup of minced fresh cilantro leaves, 1/4 cup of finely minced red onions, and 1/2 jalapeno chopped. Roughly chop the sprouts and combine in a bowl with all the other chopped ingredients. Mix well and season to taste with salt. To make a balanced meal, use the salsa on top of fish or chicken. You can also use it with beans and rice to make a standout vegan dish, or simply serve with chips. Pesto is a great sauce that can be used on pasta, pizza, chicken, or veggies. Pesto has 4 major parts: the greens, cheese, nuts, and oil. In our recipe, we are dividing our greens between 1 cup of sprouts and 2 cups of basil. Our other ingredients are garlic, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Skip if you're allergic. You can also replace it with other nuts such as walnuts, almonds, or sunflower seeds. 1/2 of a lemon squeezed, 1/2 cup of your preferred oil. We recommend olive oil. Start by taking stems off basil leaves and dividing into 4 sections. Use a sharp knife to chop the first section of basil. Add the next section of basil leaves and repeat this step until all the basil is chopped. Next, finely chop the sprouts, garlic, and pine nuts and work into the chopped basil. Take the mixture and put it into a plastic gallon-sized bag. Press all the air and shut. Then take a mug, jar, or rolling pin and begin rolling over the bag to crush the ingredients. Continue this step until you are happy with the mixture. If you happen to have a food processor, you can use this instead. Finally, add your remaining ingredients, your cheese, lemon juice, and oil. Mix well and season to your preferred taste. Thanks for watching. I'm Lorraine Sheldon from the library. For more information on sustainability, nutrition, and sprouting, visit the Gibson D. Lewis Library YouTube page.